You can tell it's about 36 degrees out. Very minimal stack output. So I'm showing this video because I changed oil jugs, which obviously the type of oil you burn affects your quality of burn. But I was quite amazed. My bottom in the burn manifold, the one with the holes in it, is cast iron pipe. I just happened to look, and this is midday with the lights on. You can see I'm getting some extreme heat. That's well over 1,000 degrees. My reader, that's Celsius, is obviously maxing out. It's 1,000 degrees, obviously goes out. Here's my little fan. Temp gauge. 700 degrees. Seems like you can't really read that. Well, let me wipe that off for a second. Stack temp. It's a 3/8 line. A car fuel filter that I drilled out the holes and took out the filter just so that I don't leak. It's 1/4 inch steel, or 1/4 inch cast iron. I'm pretty sure it's cast iron actually. But right now, like I said, and this is actually putting out hot air. That's actually a fan from an old welder that broke. I mean, that's warm air. And to look at my thermostat, which isn't even running, that's what I'm reading right now in the shop. I'm in a t-shirt and a thermal, and I'm sweating. So, brand new jug of oil seems to make a big difference.